Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of inventory management, specifically, how you can optimize your inventory replenishment process using NetSuite. If you're looking to improve your efficiency, cut costs, and ensure you're never running out of stock, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, what is inventory replenishment? Simply put, it's the process of ensuring that your inventory levels are maintained at an optimal level, preventing stockouts and overstock situations. NetSuite offers robust features designed to help you manage your inventory effectively. One of the key functionalities is the automatic reordering process. You can set reorder points that trigger replenishment orders. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of transferring inventory between locations. We'll start with a serialized assembly item. At the moment, there are 65 units available in the San Francisco location, while the San Francisco quarantine location has 0 units for the item ASS 100. To transfer the inventory, navigate to Transactions, Inventory, Transfer Inventory. In this record, we give the subsidiary as US1, from location as San Francisco, and to location as San Francisco quarantine. As we have 0 units in this location in item record, and also select the class Industrial Electronics, like in the item record. Next, in the item field, select the ASS SAF 100 item and enter the quantity you want to transfer. Here, we transfer 1 unit to the San Francisco location. Go to Inventory Details and select the serial or lot number of the item you want to transfer. Check the item's status to ensure it's either in good condition or damaged. Then, click Add and click OK button. Once you have added it, click Save to finalize the transfer. Once saved, the item will be relocated to the specified location. Afterward, when you review the item record, you'll see that 1 unit has been successfully transferred to the San Francisco quarantine location. Yes, we've successfully replenished a location through an inventory transfer. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights on NetSuite and inventory management, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy optimizing!